back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info System. Today we are exploring Flutter Method Channel. What is a method channel? Method channel is a bridge that connects the Flutter Dart code to the native platform code, Kotlin Java for Android, and Swift or Objective-C for the iOS. Okay. Flutter app can call the platform specific code and pass the data between Dart and native code. Okay. This example, we will create a Flutter app that call native code on both Android and iOS to retrieve a simple message. That message will be generated natively on Android and iOS and sent back to the Flutter side. Okay. Look at that in Android folder and main activity. Look at that. I create the method channel name for the native side. Okay, and same name use for the Flutter side. Okay, you can change according to your requirement name. Okay. In Flutter side, we define the method channel, okay, with the unique channel name. In this case, channel name must be one you can define the native Android and iOS side. Okay, we use the invoke method function to send the request to the native platform, wait for the result. Okay, look at that code of the Flutter side. I create fab action button to the send the request from the native side and receive the messages from the Flutter side. Okay, and display the messages from the in the text widget. Okay, look at that the Android side. Android side, you trigger the fab action button to the call the native side from the method channel through the get receive message. Okay, the get receive message function call and return the hello from the Android side. Okay, and the receive from the message and display the in text widget. Okay, same as a Flutter side. In the iOS folder and app delegation.zip file, I create the in native side the platform channel and same name used for the Android and iOS. Okay, because my same purpose, you can change your according to your requirement. You can change your different method channel name and okay. In the iOS side, the get messages call and trigger the messages function for the and return the hello from the iOS side. Okay, this Flutter side get message native messages function call and the platform channel to call the get native message. Okay, and receive the message. If any error exception, you can trigger the try catch and show the messages. Okay, I already run the emulator. Look at that. Okay, I tap the fab action button. Okay, to show the hello from the Android side because it's the Android devices. Okay, I run already in the same iOS devices. Okay, I tap the action button and show the message from the hello from the iOS. Okay, because this is iOS emulator. Okay, that's it.